The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Good afternoon, Jamaica. This is last night. I'm accused of lottery scamming. The police them say if I not find 300,000, them gonna lock me up and I'm not gonna see back my son. I said, okay, I will give you whatever you want, because my son now gonna grow up like me without a mother or a father. Them said them want 300,000. The money wired to my account, and I got it, them can got the ATM, and I withdraw the money. I have to draw 50,000, because I can't draw 100. I have to draw 50, whatever, then get them 300,000. However, when I left the station on my way going home, I started to look into it and said, the Jamaican police force get away with so many things, and them not get away with my 300,000 because I work hard.
Alright, big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I'm here again. Yes, so I just presented to you a video that shows a female. In the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she gave police within the country of Jamaica $300,000 to avoid certain consequences. Let me know what to think about the things that the female said, viewers and subscribers. I will try and see if I can get more information about the things that the female said in that video, alright? Alright, so big up and respect to each and everyone. I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, but before I present another video to you, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a man climbing through the emergency window of a bus while the bus was in motion. And a few persons who was in that bus held on to the man, preventing him from climbing through the emergency window of the bus while the bus was in motion. In my point of view, it seems as if they did not want him to hurt himself because the bus was in motion. You see? And the man acted aggressive towards those persons who held on to him for a certain amount of time. See? Anyways, the video shows when the bus eventually stopped. And you might be surprised to see the things that happened after the bus stopped. Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded, but the video is being talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what to think about this video. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Don't do that. 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 Don't do that, man.
Do it yourself.
Stop.
No. Stop the bus, please. Stop the bus.
Get off me. Get off me. Get the fuck off. No, get off me. Please get off me. Please get here. No, get over me. Get off me.
Please stop the bus.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. You're not going to bite me. Let me go. Let me go. I guarantee that. Let me go. Let me go. He's going to stop right there. Look. Let him go. Let him go. Get off the bus. Go. Just go. Go ahead. Just look.
I want to get him away.
Just go.
Bro, that was so... My people, when I looked at that video, I think about three things. One, I wondered if that man have some form of mental health issues. Two, why did he decided to climb through the emergency window of a bus while the bus was in motion? And three, who pulled the emergency window of the bus? Eh? Them things that me think about here, my people, when we look at that video. So let me know what you think. I'm not going to say much more about that situation. I'm going to move on. Now the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female who some persons on social media call Larriane. Now Larriane is a female who sometimes will do live recordings on social media, and in quite a number of those live recordings that I saw, Larriane sometimes will talk about a female who goes by the name of Miss Donna. See? Anyways, someone brought my attention to a video that shows the female who goes by the name of Larriane, and the person who brought my attention to the video told me that the video shows how Larriane's husband embarrassed her during a live recording on social media. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present that video to you. I want you to take a look at the video and tell me what you think about this video. See? Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Fasting done, and Larriane have a spoon. I love eat with spoon. May I do it?
No, you're not doing shit in here.
She lock it off fast though. Lock it off fast. That situation might have been embarrassing. I cannot say that it is embarrassing for her because I don't have her feelings. You understand what I said to you about, you know? She lock off the life the fast, for real. And I really do, my people. I think that there's a lesson there in this whole situation. I wonder what that lesson is. I wonder if you can tell me what that lesson is. Anyways, alright, so I saw another video from the same female who goes by the name of Larriane, and according to some things that she said in that video, I got the understanding that she responded to at least one person who said some things about her because of the video that is circulating on social media, claiming that her husband embarrassed her during a live recording. See me? So me just let you know about that whole situation. The people, you can let me know what they think, alright? Yeah, so I'm gonna move on to a topic. Now I want to let you know about an incident that happened within the parish of St. Mary, that's within the country of Jamaica, where it is said that a man shot and killed a man at a wake. Alright? Now I'm going to read some words from a news article that I saw about the incident. See? 36-year-old Lorenzo Paddyfoot, otherwise called Poddy, a security guard of Breadnut Hill in St. Ann, was charged with murder. Had been charged with murder. I assume that's what whosoever write this news article was intending to write or to text or so forth or type. Anyways, I think I get the picture. But anyways, let's move on. See? Illegal possession of firearm and illegal possession of ammunition following an incident in Mason Hall district in St. Mary on the 5th of October the year 2021, or October 5 the year 2021. See? Yeah, me never see the year 21 on it, so because it's a recent incident, then me just add the year 2021 because me know about the incident from other sources too as well. See? Alright, so reports from the police are that about 11:45 p.m. the now deceased 37-year-old Ergil Johnson of Bondo district in St. Mary was at a wake in Mason Hall when a dispute developed between him and a woman. Paddyfoot allegedly intervened in the dispute and discharged 2 rounds of ammunition from a gun, hitting Johnson, who was later pronounced dead at hospital. Paddyfoot subsequently turned himself in to the police and handed over a firearm and ammunition. He was subsequently charged. His court date is being finalized by the police. So when me hear about the news, then I wonder if that female is a relative or a good friend or so forth. So I say, but me just make you know what going on, my people. So big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. My name is Dancehall skilla. I'm a big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.